must be
You
on.
see that? They just did a heart-shaped one.
Oh no. Bro, George actually must be on something though, bro. Like, no cap though.
Mally.
Yeah, no, probably. No, camera quality. Bro, the camera quality's butt right now.
I bet you could hear everyone clapping. How much you want to bet that? I can't.
$0.
Bet,
$0.
bet that.
$0.
Bet that.
I'll bet $0.
I'm betting $0.
You bet zero.
I said $1.
It's not $.
Yes, it is. I said I'm betting $0.
Stop what you're doing to me.
Bro, Brooks, what are you doing? Brooks, what are you doing? Yes, Brooks, Key is a rat. I might have to edit that out of my video.
What?
Me calling Mac a rat. I might have to edit that out.
You don't want to be seen as a mean child.
No, I don't want to get in trouble. I don't want to get demonetized. I don't want to get in trouble by YouTube. I don't want to say something that will make them mad. And then they take down my channel.
They wouldn't be mad. They would probably think that's how every YouTuber would do.
Bro, I'm beating you in subscribers too. Yes.
Yeah, because I was being a like that too. Plus, I've helped you got a lot of views subscribers. So
No, you have not.
I got the most highest views on it.
Okay, that got me like 2 subscribers, by the way. It did. I can even check on it later. It says how much subscribers videos gave me.
This is lightning.
What? Huh?